Turning now to the growing measles outbreak at an elementary school in Weston.
And the number of confirmed cases climbing to 6. And Local 10's Terrell Fournier live now with what the State Department of Health is saying today. Terrell.
And there is a lot of concern tonight over this measles outbreak at this elementary school, but the superintendent says 92% of the students here are vaccinated, and that should help limit the spread. But there is still a sizable vulnerable population here. A cluster of measles is making the rounds at Manatee Bay Elementary, where at least 6 cases have now been identified. This, according to the Florida Department of Health, who in this new letter shared with parents and guardians is recommending but not mandating that individuals without a history of prior infection or vaccination stay home for up to 21 days. The chief medical officer at Joe DiMaggio's Children's Hospital says limiting exposure among the vulnerable is crucial.
As a pediatrician, I'm always going to take the side that vaccines are important, that they prevent disease in children.
The doors at Manatee Bay have remained open ever since the first case of measles came to light last week. But today, about 20% of the 1,000 plus enrolled students were absent.
It's safe. It's safe if your child is vaccinated.
The superintendent of Broward Schools was on campus Tuesday to reassure kids and teachers about enhanced daily cleaning procedures to prevent the spread of what can be a highly contagious infectious disease.
Doing everything possible here at the school with cleaning and changing air filters.
It's unclear if a school closure would be in store if cases continue to rise at this elementary school. But in that same letter sent home to families, the Department of Health is deferring to parents or guardians to make decisions about school attendance, noting that the current infectious window would end March 7th. And transmission of the measles can start 4 days prior to the onset of any symptoms. That is something that parents are learning tonight, and also the folks here at this elementary school. But we also know that health officials will be here on campus on Wednesday to help coordinate and assess efforts here. We are live in Weston. Terrell Fournier, Local 10 News.